This is October 30th, 2011. About 5:30 in the evening. About 24 hours ago, Western Mass was at some points there is only one lane going down East Mountain Road because of snow in the road and tree limbs down. I was just informed on the phone that 22 hours after the power went out, my grandmother, who lives in downtown Westfield, just got her power back on. No, honey, they didn't scratch the car, I hope. Here we are coming up on the Home Depot. Looks like they have lights. But the traffic lights, forget it. Oh gosh, this guy. We've got the Little River Plaza, which looks like they have some lights. Oh, it looks like Panda House is open. Blockbuster is open.
And it looks like we're coming up on a line for gas station.
Big Y. And in front of us, it looks like we're coming up on a line for Hess. With flashing lights for traffic signals. Here's the line at Hess. It starts at Aaron's, into Expert Tire. There's the Japanese sushi restaurant K's, and the Hess station. And across the road, it looks like McDonald's still has a line out their drive-thru. This one's not bad. It just goes to D'Angelo's today. We have Advanced, Starbucks, Pride, no power. Over there we have Taco Bell, yummy yummy. They have power. It's getting too fast. Oh, and look, we finally have working traffic lights at the corner of Mainline Drive in East Main. And KFC is busy. Oh, now I think we're about to hit traffic. Oh, which is a place where it's usually 2 lanes of traffic is down to 1. All the trees and brush in the road. These aren't flashing all the time, are they? No. Average Street. And Main Street at Noble, the lights are flashing, as you can see. And traffic.